No change in DFL Senator Nicole Mitchell's status after today's ethics hearing regarding her burglary arrest in April.
The Senate Ethics Committee scheduled another hearing in July to take place after her next criminal court date. Chief Political Reporter Tom Hauser is breaking down what happens next.
This meeting is regarding the actions of Senator Nicole Mitchell.
The latest ethics hearing regarding Senator Nicole Mitchell didn't result in much new action. That's because a criminal court proceeding scheduled for earlier this week was postponed until July 1st. With Mitchell looking on in the hearing room, her attorney revealed what might happen that day.
I anticipate on July 1st that either a motion will be filed pursuant to the rules of criminal procedure or a not guilty plea will be entered, or possibly both.
Due to scheduling conflicts with the Senate Ethics Committee members, they weren't able to schedule another hearing until July 25th. Mitchell's attorney says even by then there's unlikely to be substantial new information for the committee to act on.
In terms of actionable information about development of the case, it's unlikely to occur by that point.
Mitchell faces a first-degree burglary charge for allegedly breaking into her stepmother's home in Detroit Lakes. She withstood attempts by Republicans to keep her from voting on the Senate floor or even to expel her. Republicans on the Ethics Committee say there could be a new development if a judge agrees to release body cam video of Mitchell's arrest. The committee also briefly debated political developments in the case.
Certain members of the legislature have made calls for resignations, a party chair, some political dynamics have shifted.
Party leaders or anyone else saying someone should resign, that is that person's or the subject's own decision.
Mitchell hasn't spoken publicly about her arrest. Through attorneys, she has repeatedly declined to resign, despite calls to do so from the DFL party chair, the governor, and some fellow DFL senators. At the Capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.